Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do an unboxing of the Bluedio T4 headset. This is a Bluetooth headset. This is the 4th generation headset, and this is called the Turbine headset as well. So this comes with really good specifications. So this is the box packing of this device. So this is available on Gearbest. So we got it from Gearbest. They have provided us a review unit of the Bluedio T4, and here we have the specifications mentioned. You can see Bluetooth 4.2, then standby time of 650 hours, then music playback up to 16 hours. It also has active noise cancellation, and we have the mention of all the options in the headset. You can also see that it has a rotatable design, active noise cancellation, remote call, and rechargeable battery. And this is the original Bluedio T4. You can see turbine headphones. Then it comes with a carry bag, user manual, and 3.5mm cable along with Type-C charging cable. So that's the box pack, and let's just open this. So there you go. Bluedio powerful sound is mentioned. The website is bluedio.com, and this is available on Gearbest. You can buy it from Gearbest, and we'll share the link in the description of this video. So there you go. That's the Bluedio T4 headset. Looks good. Let's just remove this cover, and there you go. This is the active noise cancellation headphones. It's available in different colors. We have the black variant. You can see the chrome finishing on the side. So there you go. You can see excellent build quality, and you can see turbine is also mentioned here, and this is there is a switch here, probably active noise cancellation. You can see there is the charging slot. This is a USB Type-C port. Quality looks pretty good. Now let's see this material quality. You can see it's a pretty soft material, looks good in terms of the build quality. You can see that there is a soft padding on the headphone area as well. So you can see turbine branding is at the top. So overall it feels quite good. You can see there is a rotatable design. You can rotate it this manner as well as this way. So it looks quite good in terms of the fit and finish. Now let's see what else comes inside the box. So we have this small box pack. We have the 3.5mm audio jack included. So that's something available here. Then we have a carry bag for the Bluetooth headset. So this is the carry bag, looks quite good. Then we have the USB Type-C charging cable. So this is quite handy. It's a Type-C charging cable. So that's all inside this box, and then you also get this Bluedio user manual. So it's available in English as well. So that's all inside the box. So that's the Bluedio T4 Bluetooth headset under the Turbine series. So this is the multifunction key where you can switch on the Bluetooth headset, and this is the play or pause button. We have this active noise cancellation method here, and this is the volume rocker keys to increase or decrease the volume. And the build quality looks really good. Fit and finish is pretty premium as well, and it does provide some really good options as well. Now if you press and hold the multifunction key, you can actually turn on the Bluetooth headset, and it will be in pairing mode. You can connect to your smartphone via Bluetooth, and once you're paired, you can start using it. So we'll have a detailed review of this T4 headset pretty soon. So this is the quick unboxing and hands-on with the Bluedio T4. So if you plan to buy this device, we'll share the link in the description of this video. Our initial impressions definitely looks positive for this headset. We are just started using it, so we'll post the detailed review after using it for a few more days. So that's all guys with unboxing and hands-on with the Bluedio T4 headset with a Bluetooth headset with active noise cancellation. You can also take calls from this headset. So that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the red subscribe button for more videos. And if you plan to buy this device, do hit that link in the description of this video. So this is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.